Why doesn't everyone know the secret behind chameleons' color changes, Naz? It's time to reveal the mystery. Chameleons change color through specialized skin cells called chromatophores. These cells contain different pigments. Beneath them are iridophores, which reflect light. By expanding or contracting these cells, chameleons can shift their skin color and pattern. And it's not just for camouflage. They change color to communicate and regulate their temperature. This incredible ability helps them attract mates, intimidate rivals, and adapt to their environment. So the next time you see a chameleon, remember, there's a whole lot of science behind that color show.